Happy VLOGMAS everyone. Welcome back to my channel, Shana.Kreations. If you have not subscribed, please do if you want to. Also hit the like button. So get up this morning, wake up, I'm tired and everything, so I'm just gonna do a quickly, my skin care. Basically, let me just use for my face like an everyday scrub for my face. It has oatmeal scrub and mask. I don't let it stay on my face that long because this is an everyday thing. Quick wash basically, and that's about it. I use moisturizer. Sometimes I use cocoa butter or coconut, or sometimes I use, if I'm going more in depth on like a day that I'm doing a little bit more to my face, I'll use the what's the other word for it? Because in Jamaica we call it Cinco Bible. Aloe vera I use on my skin, like for moisturizing. I have aloe vera lotion that I use. But yeah. Okay guys, I'm just here picking up my friend. Outside is way nicer than yesterday. Outside is way nicer than yesterday, I'm telling you. I'm just waiting on her to come outside. And it has been, what time it is now? 1:28. I did not break my fast yet. I was supposed to break it at 1 o'clock, but I still have time to break it. I'm gonna get something on the go.
What's up?
Nothing much. Say hi, Caitlin.
Oh, hi.
You ready?
Yeah.
How do you feel? Pregnant?
So what was the point of that?
It's my vlog.
Oh my god. You have to put me on YouTube, really?
You're already on it. Where are we going first? What time does Service Canada close? 4. 4? Oh. We're going to the one by No Frills. You know
yeah, that's the only one anyway.
I know. I didn't know that had to work.
Oh my goodness.
Taking a picture with me at this.
It's a video.
Oh. Tell me
say hi, Caitlin.
No.
You already did for the summit as well. Say hi.
No. I look like crap. You don't want to look at you.
I know.
I'm just gonna cry for more food. Never funny. Give me a break for once. Oh shoot.
I must record there.
Are you listening to mommy?
Your mom?
You have to make the camera to stop working if you keep videoing yourself.
What's wrong with that? First, me in a picture.
That's
Putting
what
me in it too?
No.
Yes, in there too. And the baby. And not you. This is Mama Bernie here in the kitchen. I'm just looking after some dumpling and banana and everything like that. Say hi to Mama. Say hi to the camera now.
Hi! Cheese!
She's too extra. She's too much. Yeah, so she's just looking after some
this is I like to see you. Like to
dumpling.
see you, babe.
Yep.
Yeah, I like to see you yourself. The old mama that I see him with. Hanging on in the fat, girl.
Okay, Mama, so tell the people what you're cooking.
Cabbage and dumpling, saltfish and dumpling.
Cabbage and saltfish and dumpling.
Yeah, and yam, white yam.
And white yam. And banana.
Food.
Yeah. Some saltfish.